Steve here, NRC, and I'm with my new Losi Tenacity DB Pro. And we're gonna run this beauty, see how it runs. I got the 5200 112 amp SMC 2S lipo. I don't want to go with 3S lipo because it'll be crazy. 2S should be good enough for me. So I'm gonna get this together and let's give it a rip. Alright, she's ready to go. She got nice lights on the front. I got the sand here and the icy pond. I think this one's gonna rip. Let's see what this one could do. Holy, it's fast. Oh, dirt to the face. That thing is quick. That thing is quick. Holy smokes, guys. I can't imagine this on 3S. It's sick. This is like super quick compared to what I usually drive. Oh, let's hit the ice. You can see the lights. Holy smokes. Oh, flipped her. Oh, it's dirty and mucky. Want to go too far onto the other. Oh, that was a bad hit. Don't want to go. Let's see this jump here. That was nice. Check that back wheel, I nailed it. That's good. Oh yeah, I forgot this has AVC. I don't even know if I have it on. Let me check really quick. I don't know how much I got it on. Nothing. Let me see how this works here. Where's that AVC control knob? I don't know if this even has it. I don't see it. There it is. I almost had it off. Let me try turning it up. I don't see it moving. Let me try it. Oh yeah, it's working. And I have it on too much. I'm gonna put it on like halfway or something. See how that works. See, now if I turn and let off, see it's trying to correct itself. See, I'll turn to the right. See the wheels turn to the left to correct. Turn to the left, it turns to the right. Turn to the right, turns to the left. Whoa! I'm gonna go all the way over here, real far away. And I'm just gonna floor it. Ready, guys? Here she goes. Holding in a straight line, good. I'm gonna try ripping it from up here. Oh! I just went over the curb. Oh, am I stuck? Come on. Yep. Oh wait. Oh no, I got out. Woo! I went over the curb there. Yeah, that AVC helps a lot on the ice. I don't know what that garbage is there, but brakes work good. Oh, come on. Oh, mucky. I want to try jumping this again. Try jumping this again. It was fun. Suspension's nice. I got something stuck in it. Stick stuck in it. That's not good. Holy God, it went way up in there. I think I cut off already, guys. Yep, cut off. Holy God, that was awesome. That's muddy. Check it out. I'm gonna have fun cleaning this beauty up. Let's see what the bottom looks like. Ugh. Yeah, oh, there's a stick in there still. Holy crow, I think it broke inside. Alright guys, there you have it. The Losi Tenacity DB Pro. Hope you enjoyed the first run. It was fun on the ice. That AVC really helped a lot. When I had it off at first, barely on, it was a little fishy. When I put it up to like halfway almost, really tamed it down. As fun as anything. The suspension on it's really, really nice. There she is, guys. I hope you liked the video. Like I said, if you did, leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. It'd be awesome. I always like those. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. I'm gonna have to go home and clean this beauty up. It's a mess. See you guys. Shut her down, Bob.